In this video, we're going to take a look at what you need to do to set up your local SEO reporting and tools on Local AdWorks with a free account. Once you log into your account, you will be taken to the My Account dashboard, where you can do a few different things. But to set up your local SEO tools, you'll need to simply click on the Reporting and Tools button. Next, we're going to be presented with a screen where we can paste our website's URL into. Now, there's two things that we're going to want to make sure that we do. One is to leave out the http:// or some websites use the https://. We want to leave that out. The other thing that we want to do to make sure all the tools report correctly is to make sure we have the correct version of our website. Now, what this means simply is that websites use a primary version. It's either the www version or the non-www version. To find out which one your website uses, just simply go to a web browser, type in your URL, and look up in the address bar. If you see the www, that means this is your primary version. If you do not, it means that your primary version is the non-www. After we have done this, we can click Create and Configure. The next step in the setup is going to be to authorize your Google Analytics account. If you're fairly new to internet marketing or search engine optimization, you may have never heard of Google Analytics before. And real quickly, Google Analytics is free, it's a Google software, and it provides insight and data as to visitors, search patterns, and many other statistics about your website. The best thing about Google Analytics, though, is it reports this data to Google, and it significantly helps out with your search engine optimization. Again, it's free to set up. We've included a link below to Google Analytics and a short video explaining how to set it up. When we're ready, we can press this Connect to Google Analytics. If for any reason you want to skip this step, you can do so as well by clicking the Skip button. But we're going to go ahead and authorize our account. This is going to take us to another screen, and what it's telling us is that we're just authorizing Local AdWorks to be able to read and analyze the data that Google is providing us. Now we simply just click Accept. And we want to make sure that we select the correct website and click Continue. After we have completed this step successfully, we will see a message right here that says Google Analytics has been successfully connected to your account, and we can click the Next button. In the next screen, you're going to be asked for some of your competitors. This is so that we can analyze what your competitors are doing, let you know, and you can do it better. So we're going to go ahead and enter in one of our competitors, and just like when we set up and entered our domain name, we're going to want to make sure we don't include the http://, and we want to make sure we get the correct version of their website, whether it be the www or the non-www. Then we can click Next. On the next screen, you're going to be provided with suggestions for keywords for your local search engine optimization campaign. You can also enter in your own keywords here at the top. We're going to go ahead and go with these that are selected and click Next. Remember, you'll be able to add keywords at any point in time. On the next screen, we're going to be asked for the important pages of our website. This will be to do the on-page optimization during our local SEO campaigns. So we're going to go ahead and pick just the top 3 or 4 most important pages. This page up at the top with the /, that is going to be our home page. And these pages down here, that's the URL of the page minus the domain name. Now, if we've overlooked any important pages, you can simply copy and paste the full URL, and if you want to add more, hit return and add the next one. but we're just going to input these for right now. And just like the keywords, you can add important pages later on in your SEO campaign. In the final screen, we are able to decide some of our reporting options. Now, for free accounts, the statistics are just scanned once a month. If you would like more scans, please take a look at upgrading to a self-service or SEO Pro account. But what we can decide is how often we want a PDF report of our statistics emailed to us and what information we would like in that report. To see all the different options, click on the Configure link, and you can go through and see all of the different options that we have for reporting. But we're going to just go ahead and leave it at the default settings, and we're going to copy and paste our email address in here and click Finish. We have now successfully set up our local AdWords reporting and tools account. You will see a whole host of data. In following videos, we will be going over what this data means and how we can best utilize it to optimize our website for local search.